Kyle here. I was going to show you a little video of cultivating alfalfa. Actually, we're just rolling alfalfa. This is new alfalfa. I'm going to use the F30. So here we have the 1936 Farmall F30 hooked to the roller. That was actually made in 1935. Let me back up a little bit because it's kind of loud and I want to make sure you can hear me. But anyway, it's a beautiful morning. And the alfalfa here is covered in snow about 5 months out of the year. And where the alfalfa is covered in snow for so long, the mice, the voles, get to it really bad. So we use a cultivator, which you can see if you look at some of my other videos. But this is new alfalfa. This is planted last year. So the digger, so we don't use the digger in the springtime on first year alfalfa, but after that we use the digger with the roller. And that also removes some of the old stubble, loosens the ground up a little bit and pushes the rocks down. Oh, because I also didn't mention that we have a whole lot of rocks here. So the rollers to help push the rocks in. So in this field, it's going to push the rocks down, and as you can see all these like molehills right here. Anyway, it'll kind of flatten those out a little bit. So that field right there I did yesterday with the other tractor and had the digger on it and the roller. But anyway, you can just see it just kind of makes a nice preparation for the alfalfa to come up in the spring. So right here you can see I haven't finished this field yet, but to the left hasn't been done, to the right has been done. So it makes a pretty big difference. Now, as fun as it is using the F30 for this, it's fun to get the old tractors out and let them stretch their legs a little bit, especially any excuse that you can. Riding the F30 for an entire field is bumpy and not the most comfortable thing, because if you look at the tractor, there's really nowhere to put your feet and your legs. So we're going to switch over to the John Deere 2010. Now we switched it to the 2010. Like I say, just a little bit more comfortable, power steering. Not quite as cool, but it's okay.